Hey, for real, I'm f***ing with the squad at Tahoe. That was definitely the owners of that truck that just caught us filming. Just don't hit my truck! We just put a new battery in the Tahoe yesterday. Then I wake up this morning, my truck isn't starting. It's been a great week for me so far. I mean, literally, it's been amazing. It's cold as hell. Truck didn't start. We still got a little bit of light outside. I just got off work. So let me explain just a little bit more for you guys. So yesterday we woke up, battery for the Tahoe was completely dead, like 100% dead. So I had to run to work, grab a jump box and jump it off, bring it to the dealership, put a new battery in it. I wake up this morning, which is the clip that you guys just saw, and this truck wouldn't start. Like literally nothing, no lights, no nothing. And I've been having issues with the battery cables on this truck for, I don't want to say a couple months, but I've been having issues with the battery cables. And I think I've been doing some thinking today. I think part of it is I've got my subs, I've got my demon eyes, and I've got my wheel lights all connected to the positive battery cable, to the screw that tightens down the positive battery cable. And every now and then, when I go to turn off my wheel lights, the Bluetooth won't connect. And I don't want to sit at home and wait 20-30 minutes for it to finally connect at some point. So what I'll do is I'll just pull the power wire off the battery. And what I'm thinking in my mind is that little bit of gap that is created when you pull that power wire off of the tightening screw for the positive battery cable is leaving a little bit of gap. So if you hit a nice little bump, if there's any kind of grease or buildup on your positive battery cable, it can cause that cable to come off. And I think that's what it is. But I'm gonna take a look real quick and see if I can't verify. I thought it was gonna be a lot darker than it is right now, but we're gonna take a look at it and see, hopefully, if that's what it is. And I'm gonna hook back up the wheel lights tonight so we can ride around with the wheel lights on. Like I said, I'm pretty sure that's what our issue is, because I mean, that battery cable's like moving up and down right now. It's not even really on there, it seems like. For about 30-45 minutes, I think I need to replace the positive battery cable on the truck, but I've got everything working now. So I think my issue, like I said, I had the sub, the demon eyes, and the wheel lights all on that little tiny just tightener screw for the positive battery cable. And I think that's where I was running into my issue. Every time that I would take one of those loose, it's building up some corrosion in there. So I'm gonna have to bring it in one day when I got some more time and it's not freezing cold and dark outside, and kind of just redo a little bit of that stuff. But the good news for tonight, wheel lights are working, demon eyes are working, battery is connected properly, and the subs are hooked back up. I deem that a success tonight. By the way, I was using my exhaust tip as a stand or a stool, I guess, to, you know, stand next to my truck, and I kind of broke it. So I do have another one at home if I ever want to cut a hole, but as of right now, no more Home Depot exhaust tip. Sometimes I like to come out here at night to some of the local dealerships and just kind of walk around and see what kind of cool stuff they have out here. And I noticed this sitting over here. I don't know if it's a customer's. How's it going? Nah, they got this sitting out front right now. I'm assuming this is a customer's truck. Got no window tint on it, but something that's really cool to me is it's got these big knobby fuel mud tires. Y'all ever seen these before? These crazy knobby fuel mud tires. It's got is that a headache rack on the back, whatever the hell you call it, with the light bars? 2019, 2020, one of those. Not too bad. I'm kind of messing with it. I like that. I don't know how I feel about those like crazy knobby tires, because I'm sure those are either the best riding tire you've ever had or the worst, and there's no in between. Yeah, text that. Hey, for real, I'm fucking with the squad at Tahoe. Like, for real. I've been seeing these wheels all over Instagram recently. I really want a set of those. Like, I really fuck with that a lot.
That's fat.
New ladder mod? Get him to do some dumb shit. Roast them!
Do you see that? It's like the shit underneath there to put four-wheel drive, but it's not there. I've never seen that. Unless this was four-wheel drive.
Yeah, I bet they probably put a four-wheel drive kit on this.
Yeah.
Without the, yeah. So it's probably a four-wheel drive kit, but on a two-wheel drive truck. All right.
They are loud boys tonight.
So we got, looks like a 17, 18, 19 Tahoe. Pretty much the same exact thing as Christina's, with the 7 to 9 Mcgaughys lift kit that we want, but black. What the fuck are they doing over there? We got some 22-inch American Forces.
Those are
They look like the Octanes. I really like those, especially with the wheel lights. Got wheel lights, we got Nitto tires.
I like that pattern on them.
I mean, this thing's clean. We got some Fox shocks in the back.
Damn.
I mean, this is a stupid clean truck. Oh, where's he at? Where's he at? Are they coming out of? No, I don't know, but we're about to find out. That was definitely the owners of that truck that just caught us filming, which is, okay, I mean, that's great for content, great for content. But Bean was just telling me, apparently they just lifted that at Weaver where I used to work, and you know those guys do great work over there. Oh, I thought I was gonna keep going. Just don't hit my truck! Definitely not a bad turnout tonight. It was really fucking cold, but definitely worth the trip. Thank you guys so much. Like and subscribe. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Let's get this bread. Get this bread, baby! That's what I'm talking about.